guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming a festival makeup look. I have a bunch of pretty little rhinestones all over and this pretty makeup for it. If you guys want to see how I got this look, continue watching. I'll move these little hairs out of the way. So I'm already wearing all the base and everything, so I'm gonna just start with my eyes. So I'm gonna go into this little vacation mode palette first and use the round trip color from it and base my whole lid because I'm literally obsessed with it. Eyelids are based. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay electric palette and I'm gonna use Gelated, which is like a kind of like a purpley pink. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush. I'm gonna take that color and I'm just gonna pop it in the crease. Okay, so that is the first color we're gonna do. Next, I'm gonna take my Carli Bybel palette and I'm gonna take this super light color at the bottom. I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid. Calypso. So I'm taking that pale color and kind of making like a wing out of it, and then repeat on the other side. Next, I'm gonna take this little medium fluffy brush, I guess, and I'm gonna go in with this color here. Just get a little sparkle in there. I'm just gonna put that in the crease, right above that pale color, kind of into the pink. And I'm just going to kind of diffuse the pink in this corner over here that's closest to that new color in the corner. Now, I'm going to add some eyeliner real quick. Alrighty, now I'm going to put on some mascara. And then I'm just going to take that first brush and kind of bring this pink over here. I'm just going to take the other little fluffy one. Calypso needs a little attention, so here he is, everyone. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to put on a little highlight, but you need to sparkle. And then real quick, I'm just going to do a nude lip with this look. I'm just going to line my lips. And I'm going to take this Burt's Bees Nile Nude lipstick. And then here's Calypso again. I'm just going to line my lips real quick with this brush. Lips are done. And then we'll do the eyelashes and then we'll do all the fun part. Alright, so all my main makeup is on. Now, the fun part, all the rhinestones. So I'm just going to be taking them off these little like things and just kind of placing them just randomly. And then we're going to take some pretty purple ones. Alright, so that is all the rhinestones. And bring your cute little hairs forward. If they stick to your hair, it will come off. So you have to make sure where you stick them is not on your hair area. And then I'm just going to take the makeup setting spray and spray my face. And that is the final look. Some cute little rhinestones all over. Just add a little extra intensity. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your night. Bye guys!